Hello friends! One of the reasons why the engine does not start well is the fuel pressure regulator. What does it serve for? Why is it needed? Regulator here regulates the pressure in the fuel rail, which creates the fuel pump. When it's large, part of the fuel is returned to the fuel tank, and thus the pressure in the fuel rail remains constant all the time. When we start the engine, when there is a pressure in the fuel rail, the engine starts easily. If there is no pressure, then the engine will start from third, fourth times, or even more. How to determine when the fuel pressure regulator is defective? For this, we start the engine and remove the tube on the regulator. If fuel runs from there, then the regulator is faulty. That's all guys. Subscribe to our channel, put like, and don't forget to put a bell so as not miss new video on the channel.